What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna review about Hotbit platform, and today I just want to show you guys about this platform and those new cryptocurrencies listed in the market. For example, they got a good future, so you want to buy that cryptocurrency, you can buy from Hotbit. I'm just gonna review how to get that cryptocurrencies. So before that, I put the link of this platform in my description is below. You go click on that and you will get such page. What you should do first, you have to register first. Put your email and you click on send. You will get a code in your email, then you paste it back, put your password, confirm password, and click on register. Once you've done that, so click on download. You see guys, look at this, is down. So click on download. You will have the app on your phone. Go and you open the app. Right now, you see guys, I got on my phone right now. This is market. There are lots of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and the most famous one is BTI and Dogecoin, XRP, BNB, Binance, or LTC, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. All the cryptocurrencies listed in this market. Especially when you click on the home and you will see the new project. It's a new project. See, this got a lot of zeros, new cryptocurrencies. The Moonlight, this is, see, got 0 cannot count. You got a lot of zero. You want to buy this cryptocurrency, for example, I'm just saying example. You see buy, click on buy, put the see, look at the app. You need to put the market price, for example 0.00059. Put the amount 00, for example 200 million or 2 billion. So whatever you want to buy, just buy. But before that, you have to deposit on this platform. How to deposit? Okay, let me show you guys. Click here, click here, deposit. You should deposit USDT. So do not forget, very important thing guys, always use TRC20. Look at this blockchain address. You have to use that one. Why? Because the first is low fees, is only $1. Every transaction is get fees $1. You don't have to pay lots of fees, just $1. And just go copy the for example ERC20. That's a lot of fees guys, so use TRC20 and copy and go in your wallet. For example, using Binance. So my next video should be about Binance, how to buy Binance by your debit card or Visa card or P2P. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, go now, subscribe it, and you do not miss such video. I'm doing that in the future. So when you copy, go in your wallet and transfer to this your Hotbit platform. So when you done that, go on market home. You buy lots of the cryptocurrencies you want to buy, or you want to, if you got in your mind, just type the name. For example, it's FEK. Just click on buy. Okay, put the market price on the top, put the amount and buy. If you want to sell, click on this, right side is sell, left side is buy. So right side, put your amount. You want 100, so I got almost 200 million FEG token. So I want to sell, just click on sell. That's definitely, I got $2 in my account, USDT. So guys, that was about this platform. If this video gives you a little video, please give a thumbs up and comment any suggestion, any question, anything in your mind. Do not keep it that, just comment it below of this video. Love you guys.